Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another JFK airport update. So, I know I've been gone for a while. I've been just really busy in school and, work and trying out for, just drumming and stuff, auditioning for programs next year and stuff like that. It's just a lot right now for me, and I also just haven't been here to the Cape in a while, but I'm back and I'm working on JFK again, and it's good to be back. Yeah, it's looking good. So far what I've done is, I'm expanding this ramp here. Yeah, that's expanding, and then I'm gonna work on this taxiway right here, and then I can't do too much over here because basically there's gonna be another runway there, and I need different colored tape for that. So I'm gonna stop here pretty soon, but then I'm gonna head over to here and get stuff done over here. And I also need to get over there too. You can see I started just a tiny bit. So yeah, plenty of stuff to do today to expand it, but it's looking good. Hey everyone, before we continue on with the construction update of JFK, I just wanted to give a massive shout out to Everything Planes and his YouTube channel. I have the link in the description, and I'll probably drop it down in the comments too, so that you guys can go check out his videos. But anyways, the reason I'm giving him a huge shout out is because he actually made this interview where he interviewed me, and it was super well done, and probably has a lot of stuff about me in there that you guys don't even know. So I'd highly recommend going to check out that video and that channel, and drop him a sub, because that video was super well done and very high quality, and I thought it deserved some attention. So yeah, thanks for that, Everything Planes. Guys, go check his channel out if you haven't yet. Alright everyone, check it out. Boom, I connected it over here successfully. This diagonal piece right here goes down really far. Then I think this one is just gonna stop right there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Again, can't do the other side of this long taxiway right now because it's just got so many connections. It's ridiculous. But I'm gonna just try and work on this over here for a bit before I have to go again. So yeah, gentlemen, I've just made huge progress over here. Well, not huge progress, but yeah, this arm extends out, and voila. I mean, if you guys look closely at this turn, look at this outside edge. That's gotta be some of the best work on this airport I've literally ever done. And then the layering on this side too. And here, it's a little crusty, but it looks really, really good. Wow, I don't know what I just did with the camera, but I did something. What's going on with the camera? It's weird. Oh, it's you press. Sorry about that. You press that thing instead of zooming in or out. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna quickly do some cool shots with all the aircraft that I have laid out. It's all JetBlue A320s, just to give you guys some nice shots, because I feel like I haven't really done that yet for the channel. So yeah, I'm gonna do that quickly, but that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for sticking with me as I work on this. And more unboxings and stuff like that is going to be dropping as school ends and we shift into summer. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, everybody.